How to move photo to locked folder in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app in your phone or Android, as well as it can be appeared on your iPhone. Click any of the photo from here. Now click on the three dots which appear at the right top corner. You can see here move to locked folder. Click on it. Click on the move. In this way, now click on the allow option. In this way, this photo will be moved to your locked folder in Google Photos. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now we are going to see the video. Now click on the library option. Click on the utilities here. Now move this bar and click on locked folder. Use your pin to open the locked folder. You can see that photo will be locked in your Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.